Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka College of Community Science, Central Agricultural University, Tura, Meghalaya. Rengkat ka jingitrailang bat ka ICAR Ninfet Kolkata, ICAR CICR Nagpur, Deen Dayal Research Institute, bat ICAR CRIJAF Barakpur. Kila penlong ya ka National Symposium ka Balaisngi Halor Kapang, Threats of Heritage, Exploring Traditional Textiles and Natural Fibers. Kabalasdang nado ka arpunyo tarik ukalalengkot arajar arpusan, bat kabankut hado ka arpukandai tarik ukalalengkot arajar arpusan. Yagani ka Symposium la plepat ba daw Menteri Rang ba ka Jelau Conrad Sangma, ubalalong kumukongsan, rengkat ka jingsak hilang jong ka MLA ka Jela Madhya Pradesh ka Archana Chitnis, u General Secretary jong ka Deen Dayal Research Institute, u Atul Jain, kumki sembut kongsan, u Dean jong ka College of Community Science, CAU Tura, u Dr. Jyoti Vastrat, u Vice Chancellor jong ka CAU Imphal, u Dr. A. Mishra, bat QA.
Technical sessions and parallel sessions, all of these are included here. Thank you.
This program is very, very exciting and very interesting. I must thank Dr. Jyoti, her team, and of course Mishra ji for having taken the trouble to organize, something at this level. You see, being able to recognize this aspect, the importance of the traditional textile and handloom sector that we have in the northeast region of our country, and giving it the importance and giving the recognition to the artisans and the weavers who have been doing it just because they have so much of passion and love for it, and not being recognized at all for it. And today, being here on stage, in front of Honorable MLA from Madhya Pradesh, in front of the Chief Minister, getting a small pat on the back, I think means a lot. These are small things, maybe very normal for Honorable MLA and myself because we keep doing this. But you can imagine what is going into the experience and mind and heart of the person who has never experienced this before and being recognized for something they've been doing for their entire lifetime. So I think it's really amazing and it's really good and something that I really appreciate. So yes, you do deserve a round of applause for that. Also, I have been talking about this a lot, that this word weaving, you see, I'm really, very inspired, I should say, by this word weaving. It means so much more than what, meets the eye. And when you talk about the textiles, the traditional wear and the handloom, you see, it's not just weaving the clothes or the threads that we are doing. We're weaving our history, our culture, our heritage into this. And that is what makes it so exciting and makes it so unique. And that is the reason why, for me, this is very, very special. All of you who are involved in this, remember, it's not about just a livelihood. It's not about just weaving something. As I said, you are ensuring that the identity of our people, our culture will remain for generations to come. And that is the real contribution that you are making to the society, to our people, to your people, and to the world as a whole. Because the world will see this entire aspect of the culture and heritage and the identity of our people through what work that you are doing, through the weaving that you are doing into the threads in the clothes. But as I said, while you do that, you're weaving our culture, our history, our heritage, and our identity.
As far as our textile, metallurgy, shipping, all the rich traditions we have in different areas of life in which textile has a very important place, say historically, traditionally, technologically, and spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing, and worldwide, India has been known for its textiles. And this program which Anupam Mishra ji has organized, I think it's a symposium, first of its own kind. Such type of programs, they need to be, this program has to be a beginning and which needs to be followed up with many more in different parts of the country. If we look at the textile map of India, what English men were amused by the change of language, by the change of taste, by the change of way of life every 20 kilometers. Similarly, there is a change every 20 kilometers regarding the textiles also. Just yesterday, you were telling me that the way the weaving is designed, we can say it is coming from which part of the country, which state and which district.
Thank you so much. Next, I would like to call upon Shri. What began as a learning process eventually turned into a source of income. They started an enterprise called Nangiwa. Enterprise's breakthrough came with the support of Museat, and this momentum led to their selection of the Atelier program by Meghalaya onto separate fabric pieces achieving extraordinary detail and precision. She has received various awards. Member of the Koch tribe, she is dedicated to preserving their rich weaving traditions passed down through generations.